ल
Likewise, same question of our electronics.
हजुर देखिनु भएको छैन
The knee voltage of a diode is approximately equal to the applied voltage, barrier potential, breakdown voltage, forward voltage. Okay. I'm going to write the next question number 43. You are try yourself which is the best, which is the correct option of the given question number 42. Okay, you will try yourself. Okay, I'm going to write the next question number 43. The reverse current. Consist of minority carrier current. Magnetic carrier current and option A, avalanche current. Avalanche current. Avalanche current. Option B, forward current. Option C, surface leakage current. Surface leakage current. And last option G is Zener current. Yes. The reverse current consists of the magnetic carrier current. Yeah, in reverse current it contains one of the magnetic carrier current, and another one is which one? It may avalanche current, it may forward current, or surface leakage current, or Zener current. Which current is present in the reverse current? Okay. Reverse current mainly contain two types of different current. One of the between them is magnetic carrier current, and another one is guess yourself and tell me the answer. Okay. Yeah, similarly, question number 44. Okay. Question number 44 is, if the bulk resistance is 0, the graph above the knee becomes. If the bulk is one kind of resistance, okay, if the bulk resistance is 0, if the bulk resistance is 0, the graph above the knee becomes. The graph above the knee becomes. Graph above the above the knee becomes graph above the knee becomes graph above the knee becomes graph above the knee becomes option number A. The first option is horizontal. Option B, vertical. Option C, tilted. At 45 degree. Tilted at 45 degree. None. Okay. Yeah, now I'm able to solve this only, and at last I'm going to write the last question of this session is question number 45. Okay, 45. The bulk resistance of 1N40 is the bulk resistance of 4001 is option number A 0, option number B 10 ohm, option number C 0.23 ohm, option number D 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. Okay. Yes. In this session, I'm only solved the question number 42, 43, 44, and 45. Means from question number 42 to question number 45. The first question of this session is the knee voltage of a diode is approximately equal to the among the four options. Which of the best option? Which is the correct option? The knee voltage of a diode is approximately equal to question number 42. Okay, the knee voltage is approximately equal to our barrier potential. The knee voltage of a diode. If we have given one diode and it contains knee voltage, and this knee voltage is approximately equal to our barrier potential. Okay, this question option is option number B. Similarly, the reverse current consists of minority carrier current. We have one reverse current, and this reverse current consists of two minority. Among the two, one of the minority carrier of the current, and next one is the which one is our correct option. We have given four options: avalanche current, forward current, surface leakage current, and Zener current. Okay, the reverse current consists of the minority carrier current. Okay, the reverse current contain mainly two minority. Among them, one of the minority is the carrier current. Consists of the minority carrier current. One of the component or one of the minority of the reverse current. This reverse current is the carrier current. And next one is, which one is the next one? Next one is our forward current. This is our first and this is our second. Minority carrier current plus forward current always gives the minority of our reverse current. Which current? Reverse current is also given. Similarly, next question, if the bulk resistance is zero,
Start.
the reverse current consists of minority carrier current, and next one is the forward current. Okay, forward current and minority carrier current containing a reverse current. Reverse current contain two components. One of the minority current, carrier current, and the next one is forward current. Similarly, we have next question, if the bulk resistance is zero, the graph above the knee becomes, we plot a graph, one of the graph in bulk resistance associated with the bulk resistance. If we plot a graph associated with the bulk resistance, and the graph is mainly start from bulk resistance is zero. When the bulk resistance is zero, and the graph appears above the knee voltage is which type? Suppose this is our graph, and this graph is being start from here. Suppose this is our knee point. This is our knee point, and from this knee point, graph is passes from the initial path by making which angle, or by making which orientation? By making which orientation means it passes horizontally, or it passes from here vertically, or it passes from here horizontally, or it passes with the initial path by making how many degree of angle? Tilted at 45 degree, or none of the given option. Okay, its right option is option number C. If the bulk resistance is zero, the graph above the knee. Okay, if the bulk resistance is zero, the graph above the knee point, this is our knee. Okay, knee becomes tilted at 45 degree. How many degree? 45 degree. Its right option is option number C. And visualize this question by showing this graph. I think it is not actually like this types of graph. Okay, it is only concept how it is keep in mind this types of question, or this question, mainly this question. Okay, for keeping for easy to learn, I will only give this figure, rough idea. Okay, at last we have given one option, we have given one next extra question. This is the numerical data by heart we can learn. Okay, we mustly keep in mind the bulk resistance of 1N4001. We have given one types of bulk resistance, and its name is 1N4001. Okay, and we should know, or we mustly know, or we know, if this question we have given one resistance, bulk resistance, and this bulk resistance identify or noted or notify by 1N4001, and in this resistance, in this bulk resistance, how many ohm contain? Its right answer is option number B. Okay, thank you guys. Again I am continue the same question. Okay.